Hello everyone, come let's go with see the topic of unit commitment and economic dispatch. Unit commitment is the electrical unit commitment problem is the problem of deciding which electrical generation units should be running in each period as to satisfy predictability of varying demand for electricity. The economic dispatch is one of the earlier application of online centralized control was to provide a central facility to operate economically several generating plants supplying the load of the system. Then modern integrated system have different type of generating plants such as coal fired thermal plant, hydel plant, nuclear plants, oil and natural gas units, etc. The capital investment, operation and maintenance cost are different for different type of plants. The operation economics can again be subdivided into two parts. Problem of economic dispatch, which deals with determining the power output of each plant to meet the specified load such that the overall fuel cost is minimized. Problem of optimal power flow, which deals with the minimum loss delivery wherein the power flow is optimized to minimize losses in the system. In this chapter we consider the problem of economic dispatch. During operation of the plant, a generator may be in one of the following states: a base supply without regulation, the output is constant; base supply with regulation, output power is regulated based on system load; automatic non-economic regulation, output level change around a base settings and area control error changes; finally automatic economic regulation, output level is adjusted with the area load and area control error while tracking an economic setting. Regardless of the unit's operating state, it has a contribution to the economic operation. Even though its output is changed for different reasons, the factor influencing the cost of generation or the generator efficiency, fuel cost and transmission losses. The most efficient generator may not give minimum cost since it may be located in a place where fuel cost is high. Further, if the plant is located far from the load center, transmission losses may be high and running the plant may become uneconomical. The economic dispatch problem basically determines the generation of different plants to minimize the total operating cost. Modern generating plants like nuclear plant, geothermal plant, etc. may require capital investment of millions of rupees. The economic dispatch is, however, determined in terms of fuel cost per unit power generator and does not include capital investment, maintenance, depreciation, startup, and performance. This is the fundamental thermal unit. Then we must know about heat rate curve. The heat rate is the ratio of fuel input in BTU to energy output in kilowatts. It is the slope of the input output curve at any point. The reciprocal of heat rate is called fuel efficiency. The heat rate curve is a plot of heat rate versus output in megawatt. So the factors to be considered in unit commitment problems are short-term load forecasting, system reserve requirement, system security, startup cost for all the units, minimum level fuel cost for all units, incremental fuel cost for all units, maintenance cost. Come, let's see the reserve requirements. This reserve requirements having Installed reserves, spinning reserves. Installed reserves in the sense that generating capacity which is intended to be always available. Spinning reserve mean it is the reserves generating capacity which is connected to the bus bar and ready to take the load. The spinning reserve is the term used to describe the total amount of generation available from all the units synchronized. That means in spinning on the system, means the present load plus losses being supplied. Spinning reserve must be carried so that loss of one or more units does not cause to for a drop in system frequency. So it contains cold reserve, hot reserve, firm power reserve margin. So cold reserve in the sense the reserve generating capacity which is available for service but not in operation.